And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Samara Kokinos.
Welcome back. It is 6:43 on this Monday morning. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend. It did shape up to be a beautiful one. Increasing clouds yesterday afternoon and overnight allowed for us to start with a good amount of cloud cover overhead this morning. It is kind of blocking out the sun a little bit right now, but you will see peaks of sunshine from time to time today. Now, because of the clouds acting like that blanket, kept us pretty warm overnight. We're at 71 degrees with a southeast wind at about 5 miles per hour. Looking at the rest of the valley, it's 71 in El South as well as San Juan. Good morning to you in La Sada. You're a little bit cooler, near 69, and it's 74 to start your day on Holly Beach. Really not a bad setup. Even 69 degrees feels relatively warm because of our dew point values sitting in the mid to upper 60s. So that puts us in the muggy category for today, and you'll feel the stickiness, especially as the day goes on. Now, the winds right now are relatively light, but mid-morning that's going to change. Let's walk you hour by hour with Future Track starting at 6 this morning. And you'll notice as we go into the noon hour, it'll actually start at about 8 or 9 o'clock. You'll start to feel the winds picking up a little bit more. Notice that there's a lot of yellow and even green here on the map, and then the second half of the day still very breezy in that yellow category. So we're calling for 10 to 20 mile per hour wind speeds. Gusts will be stronger near about 25 and maybe 28 miles per hour. Overnight, they'll slow down again, and then they'll pick right back up as we head into tomorrow. Your day planner forecast shows the cloud cover staying pretty tight today, locked in tight, but there will be some times of sunshine and things are going to warm up. We'll go from 72 this morning to 83 by noon. 87 is your forecast high. We're still close to that 4-year drive time home at 5. Looking at the setup across Texas, here we go. You have high pressure over the Gulf, and basically we're going to continue to have that southeast flow pumping in that lower level moisture, making it feel rather sticky, especially as we go on throughout the rest of the work week. It'll turn humid. Now behind me, an area low pressure. These two will interact with one another, keeping it rather breezy, but eventually that area low pressure will get closer and closer to Texas. That could weaken our atmosphere enough that we could have maybe an isolated shower or two around over the next couple days, but even then, your rain chances are pretty slim, near 20%. A cold front will arrive later on in the work week. We're talking about Friday night going into Saturday. There could also be a shower overnight possible with that particular system as it passes by, but it's going to be very weak, and it's going to bring temperatures down a smidge, but still looks like it's going to be a pretty warm Mother's Day forecast. So as we look at that particular forecast, Mother's Day will be about right around 92 degrees with partly to mostly sunny skies. I think the humidity will be a little bit more tolerable out there for Sunday, but still you'll need, if you're planning on anything outdoors, you're kind of going to need an umbrella to give you a break from the sunshine in the shade, and then also keep, of course, hydrated. You need to drink lots of water, and the same goes for today. Just stay hydrated. We're getting into a season where heat-related illness can sneak up on you pretty quickly. Along the coast, the bay will be choppy today with seas averaging 3 to 5 feet, so mariners with small craft, you should definitely use caution out there. 87 today, followed by 74 tonight. The clouds are going to remain rather thick, and even tomorrow we'll have a shower possible with a high temperature near 88 degrees. We'll be 90 degrees by midweek, breezy, very humid out there, and Thursday and Friday are even hotter ahead of this front. We're talking about 94 and 96 with partly sunny skies. The front rolls through. There could be that shower Friday night going into Saturday, but then we're going to have partly to mostly sunny skies for Saturday with a high temperature of 93. So not too much of a dip behind the front, but still it is out of the mid to upper 90s for sure. We'll be in the lower 90s even on Mother's Day, near 92. Overnight lows mid 70s until Saturday night. We'll go down to about 68 degrees. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast. Stay